is Professionally Dumb Garage. Today we have Wes. Here, give me the camera. We got Lucas. 09 Chevy Silverado, my truck, as you may have seen. Gotta take the unit off to put a new one on. So we have here a doohickey MacGyver thingy. We have our selected set of tools. This is not a tutorial video. This is a make it happen video because it's 7:15 at 8 o'clock and I'm going camping tomorrow. I need this truck. So we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned, y'all. Step 1, take that yellow clip off.
You should explain why we got big hefty.
So basically, this guy likes to use a trim tool, you know, others maybe not so much. A guy like myself here, put it around. Apparently just yeah, mate.
And this is just loose, just like that.
Which two? Huh? Go through the hole to your grandma's house. I'm gonna guess this bolt. He's not really specific.
Now using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these.
I don't know what bolt this is.
Should be the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. What we'd be replacing. Keep going. No, keep going.
Is it getting loose?
Keep going. That's not the right one. Not the right one.
Okay.
Yeah, I see. What was that? I don't know.
Away from the vehicle? You want a door handle? $5. I'll give it to you.
So you know.
If you can pick any spot you want, we'll get you a free meal.
Where did this big panel come from? Fixed too, eh? Oh, it's just so much nicer. 842.
42, finally done.
Yep.
We don't talk about that.
The wobble.
No, she works though. Don't talk about that though. Yeah, but you know, you kinda gotta.
I clipped her already.
No, you didn't.
It did.
Guess we'll find out.
Give her a little.
Look at that.
Pinch pins tomorrow.
Exactly.
Such a nice